Hello everyone, welcome to Subject Trading our YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I will explain you like how did I trade in past week, what is the result of the trades, and I also discuss about the explanation of the trades. Cats help you to learn the new things, right? So one more confusion is that right, lots of people DM me like please make video in Hindi. Some people said make video in English. So I'm a little bit confused, like in which language I have to make a videos, right? So it depends on you. So comment below in comment sections, like in which language you want a video, right? Hindi or English. So the more comment of Hindi, then we will go for Hindi, and more comment of English, then we go for English. So just comment below, okay? So without wasting a time, let's go. So the first state are taken in USD MXN, like Mexico peso, right? What is the trade? Firstly, I show in my Telegram group, like where I shared my all trades before entry. Wait a minute. Yeah, this trade, right? This is the USD MXN 1 hour chart, right? So I said there buy now. So the trade as it is, I show the explanation like why I take this entry, right? And why price goes long from this area. The reason is, if you're looking here, price is going to uptrend, right? Making higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher this is structure change, breakup structure, breakup structure, breakup structure. So why I choose this zone? Because the reason is there is a no good zone below this, right? There is no FPCs, right? You can notice that there is no FPCs. So there is a not a good reason to price come to fill these areas, right? There is no option to price come down. But where is the price? Where is the FPC? This is the FPC, right? Where I take the entry. Here is the FPC. So that's why I find this area. And you know why I'm going long from this one? Because this is the daily FPC, right? Price acting from daily FPC. You can notice here, this is the owner of our daily FPC, right? So I mark the daily FPC. When price tap in this area, then I wait for a structure shift, right? But when I go for structure shift, there's no good zone I found. That's why I wait for this area, because there's a liquidity also, right? You can notice this is the breakup structure, and this is the liquidity area, right? This is called a support liquidity, you can say, because lots of people are trying to buy on this area, again buy on this area, buy on this area. So there's a lots of liquidities here, right, collected here. So price once come here, grab the liquidity, and then just go up, right, and hit the all stop loss of buy side, correct? So this is the first trade. But what happened in this trade? What happened? We just booked here partial, but price just hit our break even, then it's go long, right? So we did not hit the TP in this. We just hit a break even after a partial. I'll show in the group. You can see a USD action. Guys, I'll show you the result. Yeah, here's the going, right? And here we booked partial and price here is the TP, but I said that TP hit after break even, right? So we just booked partial in this. Okay. So now talking about next trade. So the next trade in USD CAD, right? This is the USD CAD. So I'll go on a USD CAD chart and I'll explain you like how did I find entry. This is the USD CAD 1 hour time frame. Okay. So actually in this USD CAD, how we missed the entry with few pips, right? See, few pips we missed this entry. This is a good entry, right? Again, why I taking this entry? Because this is a good rally of buy side, because people are interested to buy here, right? And price coming down, there's a lots of liquidity, lots of liquidity, lots of liquidity. Price cleared, and I wait for this area. There's an imbalance also, small imbalance here. So I wait for this area for long, right? And you can notice there when you go on a 4 hour time frame or daily time frame, there's a FCC also, and you can see there's an order block, right? So I waited for this order block. You can see also demand area, right? And price check from this area. So I waited for this 1 hour shift and price shift here, and price come down, and I find this area because this area grab the liquidity of lots of lows, right? You can see here of this lows also, this lows, lots of liquidity grab, right? So this is a strong zone. This is a strong buy area, right? because lots of pending orders coming in this area. That's why my mark this zone. I wait for trade, but price is not, unfortunately, price is not tap on entry and just go up. Okay. Next trade. Next trade is FDCHF, right? I said here sell now in FDCHF. I'll show you. Okay. So this is the chart of FDCHF, correct? So in this area, why I mark this zone for trade and price hit the TV beautifully. What is the reason behind of this trade? You can notice the price goes up here and make a failed high, right? Price did not make a one high also. So price did make a lower highs, lower lows here, right? So lots of people are trying to sell on this area because they think this is a change of character like this, and they wait for this sell area. They think, okay, this is a good area for sell. But what happened? Price just goes, there's a liquidity, right? Price just hunt the liquidity and then give a breakup structure. So this is a very good zone because this area hunt the liquidity of this buy side liquidity, right? And then give a breakup structure. And then also give a inducement also, this area. This is a liquidity, right? So again, what did price retrace back here and come to this zone? This is a fuzzy area, and this area grab liquidity of these candles and price tap in this area and just record entry and price hit our TP, right? You can see here price, here is the execution. Here we just SL on break even, right? And price coming down, and price hit our TP here. Yeah, this one. Price hit our TP, correct? FDCHS. Actually, I shared my all trades before entering my community. Okay. So now talking about next trade. So what is the next trade? Next trade I share of this Euro USD, right? This sell now. Okay. So talking about Euro USD trade. So this trade is also in 1 hour time frame. So what happens? This trade. Again, what happens? Same logic happen here in same as the USD Same again. Price failed to make new high and price give a change of character because seconds also. People are waiting for sell in this area like this. They think, okay, this is a change of character and people want to sell from this area, right? Again, price hunt the liquidity, same as every CHF, then give breakthrough. So this area is very good for sell area, right? So I mark this area and there's a lots of liquidity has been made, right? You can say here, lots of liquidity. So what happened? Price tap in this area and give a beautiful trade here and hit our TP, right? So this is a trade of Euro USD, correct? You can see here this is a Euro state, and all right, here's the running. We just this is a break even, and we said book partial, and this is hit our TP. You can see here this is a hit our TP. So that is it. Okay. Now we move to next state. Okay, the next state is in Wednesday in gold, right? XAUSD. So this is the XAUSD trade. I'll explain you. Okay, the XAUSD trade. Okay, so this is the trade, right? I'm going at 3 minute time frame because the trade was on 3 minute time frame. Yeah, this one. This is a very good full trade, but here's we did not take a stop loss here because we just missed the stop loss here, right? So this is a very good thing. So again, what happened? This trade, and you said go with a small risk, right? Because I think that was a too risky sometimes. Right? So what price it? Price coming downside. Price grab the liquidity coming downside. It's follow the bearish structure here, right? Making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? So I want to enter in this area because this why I'm interested to this area because this area grab the liquidity of this candles, right? It because this is the sell side. Someone is selling on this area, right? On this candle, on the base candle. So there is a loss of stop loss above it. And if we have breakup structure also, and I'm waiting for price uh going to tap in this area, then I make the entry. And this is a lots of liquidity, right? So I just want to price on this liquidity. So price tap in this area and just give a good trade, right? And hit the TP. So that's the XUSD trade, right? This is a book partial and just here price taking rejection, but we hold this trade, right? TP missed by few points, let's say hold it, and then again price hit our TP, right? All right. So now talk about another trade. Okay, so another trade is USD JPY, right? USD JPY. Okay, I'll show you the chart of USD JPY. All right. Yeah, this one on 1 hour time frame. Okay, I think this is another time frame is, yeah, 30 minutes. Yeah, here what happened. The reason of this trade is price hunt the liquidity of a good areas, right? Because this is like a support area, right? It's a support area. Price bounce from this zone, bounce from this zone. So there's a lots of liquidities that are collecting below, right? So wait for sweep. Here price give a liquidity sweep here, right? Price give a sweep and just goes and give a breakup structure, right? So this area looking good for buying. So I waiting for this area, right? So I mark this area and price just come down and coming down here and goes up. And we here we just booked a partial and my sales on break even, but price after a partial booking, price just come to hit our break even, right? So this is our break even trade. I'll show in the group. So this is USD JPY. We said SL on break even and we just put partial, right? And price just hit our break even. Okay, now talk about next trade. Next trade is in GBPUSD, right? This is GBPUSD trade. I'll show you. Like what is the reason of this trade? Because in JBSU we just missed this entry from very few pips. We notice here this is a structure change and we wait for this order flow tap, and this is the kill zones, right? This is a kill zone time. That's why I said okay, we just go for long from this area, but we just unfortunately missed this entry and price go beautifully from our zone, right? No problem. So we missed this entry. So I said okay, invalid now. Now I talk about another trade, a gold XUSD trade. This is a very beautiful trade. I'll show you. This is the XUSD trade on 30-minute time frame. Yeah, this trade. Okay, this is very looking good because price is coming downside, right? And price grab a liquidity of this area, right? You can see here, this area, this sell side liquidity, right? And give a change of character to upside, correct? Give a change of character to upside. So I waited for change of character here, right? And wait for some imbalances, but this imbalance is already filled. You can see here, this imbalance is already filled, right? So I wait for another imbalances, right? So I find there's a BPR, there's a balance price range you can see here. So I wait for price tap in this BPR, then we go for long. So when price tap in this area, here's our entry, and I think there's a news that time. This is the entry, and then we hit the TP, right? And same trade as you can see here. We just book a partial, right? And there's a news I said exit now, right? Here we exist. So that's the trade of XUSD. It's also hit the TP. Okay, now we talk about another trade. We said here. There's a Euro JPY trade, right? This is the Euro JPY trade on 45-minute time frame. I'll show you the trade. Okay, on 45 minutes, this trade, right? So the reason of this trade is when I go on a 4 hour time frame. So this price collects the liquidity of lots of areas, like this area, right? This area, and price give a good rejection, right? You can see here, good rejection. So I want to okay, price maybe to be retraced, right? It's my thought, right? In subconscious mind, I thought okay, price will be retraced maybe. So I wait for the change of character, or you can say structure shape. So when price give a structure shape, right? So I mark this OB here, and when price tap in this area, we just enter. But in this first state, we just hit our break even. You can see here, price go from this area here, reject from this area. So we just said okay, SL is on break even, right? But break even hit in this again, break even. But again, what happened? I said go with again buy in this. I again buy in this area on this candle. Wait, on this area, somewhere around this area, right? We buy in this area again, and prices were still on break even, and we booked just partial here, right? And we just hit TP also in this area, right, in this state. So that is a very good trade of this week. We hit zero stop loss in this. There's a no stop loss hit. We just hit a break even in two trades, but all trade hit TP, right? This is a very amazing week for us, right? So I said all my entries in my community. So thanks for watching.